Hi everybody, welcome to today's workout. Today we have a fantastic Tabata style workout. So this is Body Sculpt Bonus Burn number 1. So you can do this workout on its own, you can repeat it if you want, or you can add it to one of my Body Sculpt workouts for a bonus high intensity burn. This one is focused on the lower body. You don't need any equipment, but if you want some equipment, I'm going to grab some dumbbells during a few moves throughout. So get ready. We're going to have 10 seconds of rest, 20 seconds maximum repetition. So the repetition part is shorter. I want you to go higher intensity. So don't pace yourself. Really go all out like you would with a sprint, but get in as many repetitions as you can, still with good form. Have some water handy for the breaks in between. So each interval is going to take 4 minutes. We're going to go through 4 exercises 2 times. We'll have a quick break so you can grab some water, and then we'll move on to the next interval. There are 3 sections to this workout. Are you guys ready? I'm ready. Okay. So we have 10 seconds of prep, and we're going to start with a lateral hop. Hope that stays up for us. So we're just going to be hopping back and forth. Here we go. So go fast, no pacing yourself, just keep moving. Nice plyometric movement. We're getting there, guys. Go faster if you can. Last few seconds. I'm going to turn up my timer, or my sound rather. Okay, we're going to have a pendulum tap next. Grab a dumbbell if you want it. Leg is going to start out to the side. Lift, tap. Little bend in that standing leg. Good job. Keep going. Faster if you can. Good job. Same thing, other side is next. Hopefully you're out of breath. Here we go. Knees facing forward. Get that mini squat on that standing leg. Almost there. In and out squat is next. Belly pulls in. Again, weight is optional. Breathe. Here we go. Keep it low. Go fast. Keep the chest lifted. Almost there. Repeat. Lateral hop. Here we go. Faster. We can do this. Keep going. Okay, pendulum tap. Here we go. Good job. Little squat. Last few seconds on this side. Whew, other side. Almost there. Quick lower and lift. Last few seconds. Okay, in and out squats. Here we go. Faster. Keep it low. Almost there, guys. A little faster if you can. Okay, guys, quick sip of water, and we're gonna do our next round. We're giving ourselves 30 seconds in between. And again, for the next round, body weight is fine, but if you want to grab dumbbells, you can do that. Deep cleansing breaths. Here we go. Here we go. Dumbbells optional. We have 10 seconds. We're going to start with a squat jump. Butt reaches back, belly pulls in. Here we go. Keep going, faster if we can. Okay, we're gonna goblet squat next. If you're holding the dumbbell, fingers point up, toes turn out. Belly stays pulled in. Squeeze. Quick movements. Big squeeze through the glutes, big squeeze through the inner thighs. Doing good, guys. Warrior 3 is next. 1 or 2 dumbbells or body weight. Flat back is the key. Knee and toes facing the ground. 1. Here we go. Good job, guys. Keep moving. Same thing, other side. Here we go. Hinging at the hips. Doing good. Excellent. And we're back at the beginning. Squat jumps. I'm going to try it with no dumbbell this time. Here we go. Get some height. Good job, goblet squat. Breathe. Keep going. Okay, next we're going to have Warrior 3. Here we go. Breathe. Okay, other side. Here we go. Keep going. Good job. Breathe. Grab some water. We have 30 seconds. And then we're on to the last section. I hope you guys are sweating. Here timer.
Activity completed.
Good job, guys. Okay, and we're ready for our final round. Okay, we're gonna start with plie jumps. Weight is optional. Toes turn out, belly pulls in, tailbone tucks under. Breathe. Okay, we're gonna goblet pulse, or goddess pulse, sorry. Weight comes to your shoulders if you're using it. Toes stay turned out, tailbone stays tucked. Pulse through it. Breathe. Keep going. Feel that burn. We're almost there. Lunge jumps. Really being mean to our thighs right now. You can always lunge and alternate the jumps too much. Push through. Good job, burpees. Breathe. Push up is optional. Jump and jump. Start at the top. Plie jumps. Whew. Oh, my thighs are resisting, but we're almost there. Whew. Goddess pulse. Breathe. You can do this, guys. I know it burns. Almost there. Lunge jumps. Last two exercises. Last few seconds, fight through. Burpees. Last exercise. Here we go. March it out. We're done. If you feel up to it and you want to repeat it, double kudos for me. So hopefully you felt that lower body burn and cardio burn. March it out. Get some water if you need it.
Activity completed.
Good job, guys. I'm so out of breath. As always, the full length workout breakdown will be on my site, free, benderfitness.com. And if you're able to make a donation to help support Vendor Fitness staying free and sustainable, go to patreon.com/vendorfitness and you can do that there. We appreciate every single one of you. So thank you for tuning in. Let me know if you like the workout. I'll see you guys next time.